When it comes to working on your sprinkler system, does this look familiar? Are you constantly running back and forth between your sprinklers and sprinkler timer? Do you yell back and forth with someone at your timer while you're fixing or tuning your system?
Not station 3, station 2.
Are you sick of getting soaking wet and dirty every time you adjust your sprinkler system? If any of these situations look familiar to you, it's time to replace your sprinkler timer. Stop messing around and experience the ease and satisfaction of an Orbit remote timer. Orbit's Easy Set Logic remote control timer installs in minutes and saves you time, headache, and hassle. Upgrade your timer today.